Money is a trading commodity, but it has different values in different countries. There's one commodity that has almost the same value everywhere and is widely accepted worldwide. You guessed it right, gold. But imagine having to carry gold bars everywhere you go. Not only is it dangerous, but it's also a hassle. That is why we created NAGAYA. NAGAYA is a gold-backed cryptocurrency with subsidiary projects. Only 50 million NAGAYA will be circulated worldwide, so it's limited in amount. Every NAGAYA is a proof of ownership, POO, of a certain amount of gold. What makes it more interesting is the amount of gold would increase every time. NAGAYA is created using blockchain technology. Since it is in a digital format, you can carry it around easily using your laptop, computer, or mobile phone. You can also fractionally trade it up to 0.000001 limit, which is also called 1 Tuki. It gives flexibility, as you can adjust the transfer amount according to your need. When you purchase NAGAYA, the biggest percentage of the fund will be used to purchase gold as its initial gold reserve. NAGAYA is a digital proof of ownership, POO, of a certain amount of gold inside this gold reserve. Another percentage will be used to run projects. When we run projects, we expect profits. A portion of this profit will be used to purchase more gold, which will be added to the gold reserve. More gold in the gold reserve means more gold backing up each NAGAYA. When people see the gold increase in time, those who own NAGAYA will hold it to get more gold. People who don't will try to buy NAGAYA from someone who owns it. They would offer a value, way more than the actual value of gold backing each NAGAYA, because of its future gold potential. This is where NAGAYA's market value is created. You can sell it or transfer NAGAYA to someone else if you want. But remember, if you sell or transfer your NAGAYA, you will give out not only the gold that's already inside, but also the future gold that will be coming. NAGAYA Gold Reserve is kept safe in a third-party secure storage facility in Singapore, and it is fully insured. Transparency is the most important thing in NAGAYA. Everyone will be able to see the gold details on the official website. To make everyone even more comfortable holding their NAGAYA, an independent audit will be conducted regularly. Imagine that you bought a box with a certain amount of gold inside it. Every month, the amount of gold increases on its own. If you tell your friends about this box, don't you think they want to have the same box? Unfortunately, this box is limited. The one you bought is the last box. One day, your friends visit you. You show them the box and the increasing gold. They offer to buy it from you at your purchasing price. Would you let it go? Although the amount of gold inside the box is not as much as your purchasing price, there is a high chance you would not sell it, because you know there will be more gold coming. What if your friend offered you at 2 times your purchasing price? 3 times? 10 times? Remember, if you sell the box, you are not just letting go of the gold already inside, but also the future coming golds. The more matured the box is, the amount of gold added every month could be bigger. Now this box is digitalized, so you can divide it into small amounts, which makes it easier to sell or transfer worldwide. Can you take the gold out of the box? Of course, because the gold is real and is kept safe. You can take the gold outside of the box, but when you do, the box is gone, making it more rare. This is NAGAYA, a gold-backed cryptocurrency with subsidiary projects.